to go hard, the love is sin. Gospel.
When me, that's up on you.
Dear subscribers, Vybzkartel, the world boss, the arena shell of the stadium, still of the dancehall king is at it again. And this time Vybzkartel outside a vibe to him big bad song, round and round, for him God and time album. And me not tell a lie, when that one I drop it now go normal. That come bang out the city, chop out the city, hit the place like Melissa. That one I come round the road like Bolt, it a go bad, it a go wicked, it a go mad, it a go sicked. No joke, talk to no people. And me not even gonna talk to you long, you know. We could forward another clip here and hear what world great are going on with you now.
Yeah, people, this is Vybzkartel. And first of all, I have to say God is the greatest. I have to big up the Heritage Center in Wolverhampton. I have to big up the Heritage Center in Wolverhampton and the good people of Wolverhampton. Enough respect to Mr. Anthony Davis from the original party company. And last but not least, my brother, White Yardy. People, now I'm going to tell you why. Remember, during the hurricane relief effort, I told you that Melissa left, but we were still on the ground. The container just landed. But White Yardy and Anthony Davis from the original party company allocated, it's in Jamaica now. Yes, well, through the Adijah Foundation, it was organized with White Yardy and myself, and we brought the people from the Heritage Foundation. You know what I mean? And I think it was an amazing setup that was going on from then till now. So we told you the foundation is out and about. We're doing stuff for real. We're on the ground. It's no capping. And like I said, big up to the Heritage Foundation of Wolverhampton. Big up to Mr. Anthony Davis. Big up to White Yardy, my brother, representing for the Adijah Foundation. And big up my team on the ground from the foundation. Again, Jason, Lenny Matty, Carla, TJ. I mean, the list goes on. Scatterburrell, enough respect. You know what I mean? And I'll say people, that is the greatest.
So people, that was a clip of Vybzkartel outside, and people who hear what I'm saying. Another container land in Jamaica in courtesy of the Adijah Foundation and Friends. And man, not tell a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. Talk to the people, the clip no normal, it up and notch it loud. I was a cloud at one place, at one party, but it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No joke, talk to no man. And right now I have a clip of Popcorn, the unruly boss, and people Popcorn outside the race in big bad concert, you know. And I'm not even going to talk to you long. I can forward in a clip and see what the unruly boss are going to do now. So people, that was a clip of Popcorn, the unruly boss, outside the rears in big bad concert. Nothing without God. And I'm not telling a lie, there was never a dull moment during that rehearsal. It loud about the cloud, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No joke, talk to the people. And right now I have a clip of Dexadaps and people. Dexadaps outside I clear the air and I get a lot of I'm chasing up. And I'm not going to talk to you long. I can forward in a clip and see what happened and I go on there now.
Oh, just wake up. I don't even know if I dream or dream. But guess what? I think we need to release the video for Shine today and the song tomorrow. Also, I think I need to release it from Seaview Gardens. I'm gonna get a ticket right now.
Seaview!
So I go on. Now pull up. Video drops. Today. Shine. Let's get ready. We out. See you know. See if you hear I come. Shine video drops. 8 p.m. Back to where it started.
So people that was a clip of Dexter Daps outside and people who know hear what I'm saying. One thing we know there is never a dull moment with Dexter Daps. Everywhere him turn up it burn up. Everywhere him pull up it have to get shelled down. Dapper than you know normal, you're bad, you're wicked, you're mad, you're sick. In real life talk truth no people. And right now I have a clip of Nige boy, Father Blind, and people Father Blind outside on a radio interview with Zip 103 FM, you know. And I'm not going to talk too long. I forward in the clip and see what Father Blind are going with you now.
Baby shark do 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 do. Hey, man. So what you're going to do right now is you're going to choose a nursery rhyme and you're going to get the rhythm and do a remix. You know, remix the nursery rhyme on that rhythm live right now. Okay. Turn you up. Ziptocrats, good morning. Listen me. Me say, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Hey! Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Listen me, follow me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Me say Q, R, S, U, T, U, V, W, X, R, Y, and Z, R, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next I want to see. Twinkle, 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 twinkle. And me say twinkle, twinkle. Me say little, little star. How I wonder what you are. Me say up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Ooh, twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder, how am I seeing ya? How am I seeing ya? Baby shark, do 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 do. Hey, man.
Boss, you find it.
Yeah, man.
You find it, boss.
Yeah, man.
You find it, boss.
Yeah, man, I blind formula, you know.
Yeah, man. That's a zip exclusive.
Yo, people, Nige boy is an effortless comedian in the world. So that was a clip of Nige boy outside on a radio interview with Zip 103 FM. And I'm not telling a lie, people. Nige boy killer expensive style. It loud about the cloud at one place and one part. It bad. It wicked, it mad, it sick, it no joke, talk truth, no man. The man go itsy bitty spider, A, B, C, D, twinkle star. Yo, Nige boy, you're a real sample man. And people right now have a clip of Budai Fashion, and people Budai Fashion link up with Gabby Dan, you know, and North Coast Boys in London, UK. And I'm not going to talk too long, I'm going to forward in a clip and see what I go on.
Let's up in the jail. I think Buddha question boss. In what thing going on? Give me them there up in them town. Anytime when they are London, go forward and Buddha.
Yeah.
Mama shop, you understand? Where's one fashion guru?
Yeah. One rockers, yeah.
One.
Image, you know a fashion god. Big up,
One guru.
Hold on, man.
One guru to the right.
Hold on, man.
Anytime the entertainer them
Good.
go, that's them stuff. See? One fashion.
Hey.
What's it do?
I'm a good. Hey, boy, lad, boy, Budai, fashion. Hey, fashion, fashion, Dan crazy. One rockers, cut them off. Cut the neck, hey, 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 good, hey, come finish it, come finish it. One job is done, one job is done.
So people are always a clip of Budai Fashion linking up with Gabidan and North Coast Boys And I'm not telling a lie, there was never a dull moment during that link up. It up and notch it load. I was a cloud and one place and one party. But it's wicked, it mad, it's wicked. No joke, talk to no people. And right now I have a clip of Rusted and people Rusted outside I clear the year and I get a lot of fine chest, you know. And I'm not going to talk to you long. I can forward in a clip and hear what I'm going with.
Yeah, man, I'm there, man, you see me? That's why I reach back on the AI topic again. And as I say, AI, there is no such thing as artificial intelligence. Now people don't know, say, what is the spirit? What is the spirit? The spirit is the conscience, the consciousness. You see me? The mind is the consciousness. The soul is the consciousness. You see me? As me tell you now, I'm say it already. Them people around the system, it's all about science, you know, brother. Spiritual powers and them thing there, them people they know how to do it. Take out the conscience out of commentators if I watch Chucky. Or you see the spirit transcend from that going on the daddy, them can't do it. And that's why the AI, so it full of intelligence because it's conscience. It done already tap in the universe. We are calling now unlimited information because it's a spirit. It can go back in the past and even in the future. So my friend said the AI thing is not artificial intelligence. Each soul, each one of us, whether dead or alive, we have a thing we call inner intelligence, which is the conscience. As me say, them find a way of lock it off. For just keep a puzzle in the physical. Because no people are only have a physical things and them not resonate with them spiritual. You see me? Tell us knowledge about the thing, you see me? Not too straight. But we always have to talk about them things, you see me? Because I need it. Because the world go wrong way. Although I'm saying everybody's soul will get saved, but they don't know, you see it? Because that's all about that, you know. The soul them now get to experience higher realm, as I tell you. The soul them will keep on come back as a brother. Because enough things with the enemy at the body. Them can't fight for long. You see it? Yeah, man.
That is it. You know NOW. So people that was a clip of Rusted and outside I clear the year and I get a lot of fine chest. And people are seeing say going in real life, him left a stone and turn the clip normal. It up and notch it load. I was a cloud and one place and one party. But it's wicked, it mad, it's wicked. No joke, talk to no people. Big up yourself, Rusted, and you outside and do it. And right now I just want to take the time out to big up my subscribers and my viewers. Hearts I love alone shall prevail. And I'm not going to talk too long. I want you to know my viewers and my subscribers and all that Vybzkartel Gaza Nation fans. Spam up a comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybzkartel, Adijah Foundation and Friends giving forward another container to the Jamaican people. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cold. Yeah man, I want to see all the Vybzkartel Gaza Nation fans and all of the dancehall fans. I spam up a comment section and let me know how I'm going. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Sian, and I'm out.
Sian Entertainment Review. Sian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Sian Channel Art. Dog, me say them art. Eat art. Sian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. Sian on the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for Sian Entertainment Reviews. What we have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I will give you outside.